Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Alabama in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is definitely for you. I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to get your Alabama LLC set up correctly without wasting time, money, or patience. Because here's the truth. Alabama looks simple on the surface, but most first-time founders mess something up without even realizing it. So here's the thing. You really have two options. Option one, you try to do everything yourself. You jump between the Alabama Secretary of State website and the county probate office. File paperwork, research name availability, write an operating agreement, get your EIN, find a registered agent, and basically hope you didn't miss one of Alabama's extra steps. Option two, you let professionals handle everything the right way while you focus on actually building your business. Now let me be honest, I tried the DIY route once in Alabama. Big mistake. Between understanding Alabama's state and county filing process, the 200+ total filing cost, the separate business privilege tax requirement, finding a registered agent with an Alabama address, and spending countless hours on outdated government pages, I wasted nearly 3 months. And in the end, I still had to pay someone to fix my filings. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start an Alabama LLC properly. First, obviously, your business name. Always have a primary option and a backup that's available in Alabama. Second, get a registered agent with a physical Alabama street address. This person receives legal and tax documents for your LLC. Third, file your certificate of formation through the county probate office, not just the state. Fourth, register for your EIN with the IRS. Fifth, complete Alabama's business privilege tax registration. And sixth, open a business bank account so your finances stay clean and protected. Now this sounds straightforward, but Alabama has its own quirks. County-level filing trips people up, tax registration is mandatory, and processing times vary depending on where you file. One small mistake can delay everything by weeks. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands. They handle everything: Alabama registered agent, county and state filing, EIN, operating agreement, tax setup guidance, and even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand Alabama's unique filing structure and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Alabama's state and county filing fees. That's literally the same cost as doing it yourself, without the stress or mistakes. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description. Get your Alabama LLC formed properly and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.